To tenderize the chicken, put it in buttermilk, minimum of an hour, cover it in the fridge, do the seasoned flour. You just need 400 grams of plain flour and a seasoning mix with these herbs and spices. Just put a tablespoon of each one of these in there because that flour is going to take away from some of the depth of flavour of that. So we want to get packing that flavour in there. You can pick it all up at the supermarket, keep it in a store cupboard, use it in future for any other meals. Right then guys, we're going to do some chicken then, alright? So I got some plain flour, okay? We're going to make a cheeky little batter and then we're going to put it in the seasoned flour. And I'm pretty sure this is how the Colonel does it. So I'm going to give it a go, okay? So first of all, you've got the eggs, alright? To that, I'm going to add some soda water. I've got a glass, would be fine. I'm just going to beat it up. So I'm just going to add some salt to that just to season it. Give it another quick beat. And then we're going to start, I say a beat or a stir, we're going to start with our chicken. Now this chicken has been resting in the buttermilk, okay? I put it in for, well, most of the day it's gone really tender, but you could really get away with an hour. Into the plain flour, get it a good coating. That's because it's going to help this fizzy batter with this egg stick to it, but it's not going to become too thick. And once we've gone into our batter, we're going to stick it in to our spiced flour seasoning. Once that gets in, you really want to grab that, really pack that flour, pack it in there, get it on that chicken, give it another quick coat just to make sure. And that's ready for frying. Look at the size on that thigh, man. You won't get a thigh like that in Tesco. I'm sorry, you just want it, right? So into the oil it goes. The oil is at 180 degrees. I'm just going to leave it in there on a cheeky drumstick. I'm going to leave there. Don't overdo it. Don't put loads in there, they'll reduce the temperature. 180 degrees. I can basically do 2 pieces at a time. So we're going to come back in 10 minutes and show you how good they look. Okay, quick note then guys, I've actually put the thighs in for 15 minutes, maybe 17 minutes for some of them because they were really big. Chicken drumsticks you're right with 10 minutes, thighs I'd at least go for 15 minutes. So the chicken's done guys, I've just done 2 sample pieces here. I got a big batch of chicken back there. I got my drumstick and I got, look at the size on that thigh. I mean listen, look at it, listen to this, right? Just squeezing it. But you know that's gonna be good. You know it's gonna be good. I got my barbecue dip, I got my blue cheese dip, and I got my buffalo sauce that I made. I'm actually gonna start off with a wing. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, perfect. I've probably got crumbs all over my beard, so I'm gonna go straight in. I'm gonna go for the barbecue straight away. Dip of that. Maybe a bite there. You know when you just know that you're good. Let's try the blue cheese then. Little dip there. Look at the juice running off it. I'll give that a little dip on the end. I'm going to really do that. I got the last bit. I'm going to put it in the buffalo sauce, some of that. Oh. That one's definitely my favourite. But that's it guys. That's it. That's all it takes to make amazing fried chicken in the house. It don't cost anything. Well, it costs a little bit, but it don't cost much. It's half the price of what you'd have when you go out. Twice in a night. You know exactly what's going into it, chicken or whatever you put into it. It's just fantastic. Thanks for watching.